In this video, we will be exploring values, needs, and wants. The main objective of the lesson today is to understand how values, needs, and wants influence personal decisions, financial decisions. So what are values exactly? A value is something that is really important to you as an individual. Values are influenced by your family, your friends, your teachers, your coaches, television that you watch, and movies that you watch. Each person has different values that guide their daily decisions. Please pause the video right now and on your note-taking guide, record the definition of value, who influences values, and then explain what you value. Okay, welcome back. Now we are going to take a look at needs versus wants. Now we always have thought about needs as food, water, shelter, food, clothing, shelter. Yes, needs are something that is necessary and required for your life. So some ideas that of needs are food, water, clothing, and shelter. So when you think about a need, we think about how much money does a person need. I've got some stats on this slide that I'd like you to take a look at. Families in India earn $1 to $2 a day. Think about your family. Could you live on $1 or $2 a day? You probably spend that much in the vending machine before school even starts. What do you think families in India think they need? I bet you their needs are a lot different than what we consider our needs are. I need a new iPod. I need a new smartphone, so on and so forth. So how do values influence our needs? Well, we need shelter, but do you need a mansion? Take a moment, please pause the video, and I'd like you to define what a need is. And then I'd like you to think about what you need. Welcome back. All right, now we're going to take a look at what a want is. A want's something that's not necessary, but it is desired. Okay, so it's like a luxury item. So in the last slide, when they talked about, yes, you need a place to live, but do you need a mansion? The mansion would be a want. Maybe a place to live is definitely a need. So, a want may increase the quality of living, or it may make you happier. So maybe a North Face. You don't need a North Face, but you may need a winter coat. Okay, so some ideas that are wants are maybe an MP3 player, PlayStation, Xbox, designer clothes. Yes, you need clothes, but do you need those American Eagle, Hollister brand clothes? So how do values influence our wants? If being popular or having all the newest gadgets is valued, a person may have a lot of wants. So if you're one that wants that brand new cell phone, the greatest cell phone going, then you may have a lot of wants. Please pause the video, and I'd like for you to record on your note-taking guide, what is a want? And what do you want? Welcome back. Now I've got a little activity for you here. I'd like you to decide which one of these is a need and which one is a want. Please just record on the back side of your note-taking guide which ones you think are wants and which ones you think are needs. Please pause the video while you do this. Okay, welcome back. So you should have your list of needs and wants, which ones are needs and which ones are wants. Okay, so now we're going to just talk a little bit about spending money. How do your values influence how people spend money and make financial decisions? So, if you value education, you may really save your money all through high school to maybe be able to go to college. Okay, if an individual values helping other people, they may decide to give money to a church or some other charitable group. If you value time with your friends, then you may spend money on going to the movies and hanging out with your friends. So, how do needs and wants influence how people spend money and make financial decisions? That's really the whole crux of what we're doing here. So, on the bottom of your note taking guide, there are two cells. One of them on the left hand side says, how do values influence how people spend money? I'd like you to just record an answer in that. And then, how do needs and wants influence how people spend money? Okay, so I think we have one more slide just to remember. Again, this is a good reminder of what those definitions are we've looked at. A value, something that we desire, that's worthwhile to us as individuals, and that we find important. They're different for everyone. Needs, something necessary that we really need for life, food, clothing, shelter. And a want is something that you don't really need, but you really want it. It's something you desire, but it's not necessary. A person's value and perception of needs and wants will influence that person's financial decisions. Okay, finish up your note taking guide and don't forget to bring it back to class tomorrow.